Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is dumplings with leftover dosa batter. Let's start the recipe. These are the ingredients used in preparing dumplings. Take 1 cup of dosa batter, 3/4 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 chilies, curry leaves and coriander. Here I use 3/4 cup of wheat flour. According to the consistency of the batter, later I will use 1/4 cup of wheat flour. Adjust red chilies as per your taste. Add salt as per your taste and add 1 pinch of eating soda. Mix well. The consistency of the batter should be thick, so I am adding the remaining wheat flour. The batter should be thick so that it will absorb less oil. Dip your hands in water and prepare small balls so that it will get good texture. Now deep fry them on medium heat. You can serve these dumplings for breakfast or for snack. You can serve these dumplings with peanut chutney or with sauce. Peanut chutney link is given in the description box. Please check it there. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the bell icon and follow Shalini Foods in Facebook. Thanks for watching.